right? So it's a kind of converter, so you can get the hex shaft mounted in the in a bearing.
What are the rest of those?
The rest of those chest pieces. So amazing!
Trust me, it's a bit painful for them to drill holes in the new chassis.
Oh, I know. It's gotta happen.
You have to have aluminum.
The new chassis also needs.
You should really still get like a casing around it or something.
So when it's running, we don't necessarily want a casing because you need to be able to like access things. But it wouldn't hurt to have a casing so it doesn't cover in sawdust and it looks like it's gonna print good through the whole area.
So if you didn't
like
like,
a warm-up.
if you didn't like that outside one, you would
I
just
would just
abort
put
it.
it, yeah. Restart.
Well, it's my new proposal for what we should, how we should build our robot. Oh shoot! No, no,
Plus then, right, like make sure that the bed's hot enough and it's sticking nice and everything.
They used to have bars going on there, and they were on the top of them, but now the bars are gone, so they're just right now.
You can use lifelike giraffe colors.
It's a stem. Wait, have you not seen this before, Grace?
I've not seen this one.
You haven't seen part one?
No!
It wants to be your friend. It's not creepy at all.
It's the denim giraffe.
It's the how do you know what it was made out of? Fair enough. I could have sworn you would see it.
Turn it over.
Thank you.